as we came together to celebrate the vibrancy of our school community and accomplishments of the past year, it's now time to look back on our collective journey, one marked by growth, dedication, and excellence. To guide us through this reflection, we are privileged to have the presence of our visionary leader, whose unwavering commitment and leadership have been a cornerstone of our school's progress.
It's with the utmost respect and honor that I now invite Dr. V.V. Ramanamurthy, our
esteemed chief guest, Lion challenges called Hura, respected chief speaker, Sri Jaswant Narayan Singlal, admired chairman, Sri Shankar Lal ji, honorable secretary, Sri Kailash Chand ji, esteemed treasurer, Sri Kailash Chand ji, reverend founder chairman, respected immediate past chairman, and above all, my dear trustees, dignified teachers, beloved parents, my hard-working sub-staff, and at last but not the least, my blooming flowers like students. I take this immense pleasure to present the annual report 2024-25. A warm welcome aboard to everyone arrived here today. As we approach the end of academic year and our 30 years of service towards providing quality education since our inception in 1994, the stage is ready for a great celebration. We take this opportunity to thank the Almighty Lord for His abundant blessings and guidance from our chairman and all trustee members, parents, students, teachers, and above all, well-wishers. With your permission, I now present the annual report for the year 2024-25. As we share the yearly update of our activities, we take the modest to say that we did our best and to do what we have planned, and we are proud of our students and teachers who strive hard to achieve beyond expectation. We have focused on the holistic development of the students. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school with the help of young minds to blossom and provide a platform for the individual's thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. As academic session witnessed respirating, restructuring and reforms. You don't have to be a great to start. I repeat, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be a great. Achieving academic excellence is at the heart of endeavor, and all educators, academic institutions, an important measure for this pursuit is how the institutions have performed. The most important is the annual school ending examinations conducted by CBSE. We are proud to acknowledge that we had a good result achieving in academics, co-curricular and extracurricular activities throughout the session. I proudly place before you the achievements of our students and the progress of our school, where all our staff is committed and dedicated. The whole purpose of education is to turn mirror into windows. I repeat again, the whole purpose of education is to turn mirror into windows. Academic achievement, we are happy to share the glad news that our students of class 12 and 10 who appeared the exams of 2023-24 in the board have passed with the flying colors with 100% result in both class 10 and 12. Above all, Mukti Sudha Patro topped the school, and in class 12, Disha Jain in commerce, having the highest score, who will be awarded today. We get 100% result in all the corners wherever we go for various competitions. And in the year 2024-25, we have school topper class 10 Twinkle Jain and class 12 Shreya Agarwal. Staff KLPS is committed. KLPS comprises of 73 well-trained teachers, well-experienced and dedicated, and 35 supporting staff which are there. We duly appreciate the tremendous cooperation on the part of everyone associated with the institution who have strived their best to model our education, and students who work make their dreams and aspirations come true. Apart from various core subjects, teachers, we have dynamic teachers of physical education, yoga, music and dance. Enhancement of skill of teachers and students. As a part of enrichment program, various workshops and seminars are periodically organized throughout the year for overall development and enhancement of skill in teachers and students. Counseling sessions, students appear at the board exams are guided and motivated by the school counselors regarding their career choices. Various workshops and board exams preparations were conducted every year. Celebration says the happiest moments together and spread the joy all over the vital aspects as we follow every year. Saraswati Puja, Ganesh Puja, Janmashtami, Navratri, Nuakhai, Diwali and other important festivals are celebrated with great zest and veneration. The Independence Day, Teachers' Day, Republic Day are the part of our celebration. The school's 31st Foundation Day is being celebrated with zest and pleasure. The whole school looked bright and colorful with bulletin boards and class getting decorated appropriately, reflecting the significance of 31 years. School activities, the school looks to each and every learner as a unique, wholesome person with an inherent, genuine, special capability and unlimited potentiality. By providing a conducive and encouraging environment, the students are mentored too and participate in various school activities. To keep the body in good health in a duty, otherwise we shall not be able to trim and lamp of wisdom and keep our mind strong, clean water surrounding lotus flowers, but do not wet its petal. Good health of the students is the primary concern of the school. A training program of yoga for 40 minutes is regular going on our school and students for the teachers. Sports teaches us how to lose, but it also teaches us how not to be a loser. The domain of the sports is the vast potential to better the games of life itself. Besides promoting physical fitness, it lays importance our healthy lifestyle, helps in developing social skills. Sports plays a pivotal role in instilling among our impressible learners values and the hold them in a good steady throughout their life, such as discipline, team spirit, sportsmanship. Our students participated in various champion trophies at district level and national level. Adventure trip and visit of excursion. Our school organizes excursion field trips every year to help the students get first-hand knowledge and augment their academic learning, transaction beyond the confuseness of classes, rooms, and joyful company in peer and friends. The good work of the school is the result of hard work of students, parents, teachers, and timely support for several quarters on behalf of the school. I hereby express my sincere thanks and heartfelt gratitude to our managing members, and I am also grateful to all the trustee members for continued assistance and guidance in all the time. Special thanks are due to all the parents as well. Their constructive criticism and valuable feedback has always been helpful in so many different ways. Last but not the least, the staff and the students of the school deserve a special mention of their concern, diligence, sincerity, devotion, which they continue to preserve jealously in the achieving excellence in all aspects of learning school. On behalf of teachers and other staff, I now take this opportunity to commit ourselves to more better at the times and honorable services to the institution in every stage of the life. To conclude, I should quote about Dr. Abdul Kalam. Learning gives you creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. Again, learning gives you creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. Jai Hind.